Today is about here, no? Again, Sunday, no? 21. So in here, no? Again, 4 days more to go, no? Again, Christmas Eve, no? So again, this is the last call for the people. Yeah, again, hindi po ako madawat, no? It's about maybe the dopamine run out na siguro. Maybe you're not God's gift to me. So again, 3 weeks. 3 weeks already, no? Again, today is about here, December 21, 2014, 2:53 at 39 p.m., no? Total expenses for me for that lang, for that alone, for the people is about 2,000 again, 2,000 pesos, by which internet, the printing, and the time, no? Again, I'm the one, ako lagi tanan, you know? So here, again, so here, for the people, there, no? I retrieve for almost 2 weeks, no? I've been calling you, but how, no? But why? So here, Bank of Commerce, yeah. Here, again. So how many times I message you, the people, no, from the chairman of the board. 3 weeks you hold the money, by which that's very important for me, no, also. And then for the episode 3, by which I can launch already, which again here, no, so the people confirm your accreditation card and get verified. No? Again, nakuha na retrieve na ko, sir, may ko, no, name here, Harky Satina, yeah, there. Again, your 3 cards, no, the Visa card, MasterCard, and then the Bank Express. I don't have that one. Which how many times I told you, yeah, I don't have that one, by which mine is electronic. Then here, again, here. So again, maybe, and again, for me it's about, it ends already, no? May lagi, o di pa na tumadawat tomorrow, or either karong gabi, no? Here, again, this is our 24 na to, 23 yards. Here, again, again, I'm just only human being, no? Mamakuan sa ta. So here, again, I'm really sorry, yeah? So again, this is for the people. So today is about 24 treatment sessions na to. 24 treatment sessions. Again, kato kagabi na post na ko is about not 22, no? To 23 to siya, 23 to siya. By which, no, nga, naguba kita sa PayPal, no? Again, PayPal, sus. Again, how many times, yeah? Again, I'm just only human being, no? So today is about 21. So here, no? Again, follow this one, by which nga, maybe nga, God's gift for me, mauna ni po ni Shuroy, last na to nga magka-kuwanto, no? Pastorya pa ta. So here, no, the payment from the people, there you are, no? So this is the payment from the freedom, no? By which 3 weeks you hold this one, yeah? Here, the dollar sign, no? Here, again, here, no? The dollar sign, by how much, no? Again, it's not about the money, it's about the, no? Mind setting, trust, and faith, no? By which I don't have trust in your company already. So here, you, from the freedom, so just the payment, yeah? Again, I give how many times? So here, again, may tao, no? Kay malagi, sabot nga. I have a evidence, so here, no? Again, here, owed, yeah? By which they pay already, earnings, then here, paid, view people, transactions, then owed. Again, that was December 19, 3 weeks, yeah, been there, 3 weeks, yeah. Again, if you're a business, really a businessman, so here, no, again, the partner recruiter contract, no lock-in, just forever, monthly and lifetime, yeah. Again, so here, my boss, no, this is the owner of the copyright, no, YouTube, then down to George, no, by which lagi, next month nga, na sila, no, pito ni sila ka, website, no, nga mahatag na tong money, earnings, or monthly and lifetime, by which, no, 14 years po nato siyang himo. And then, I'm not after the money lagi, because of this one, I educate the people. Education can kill you, yeah? So here, again, YT Gamers, then Rick Studio, then film section, then Zoom in the TV, karon ng freedom, para kapada, by which, human na mag-ipod sila sa, for the payment for the next, for the November, yeah? So here's, again, this is for you people, yeah? November earnings there, no? Again, November earnings, so here, again, they done already. Again, muna mapadara ba nila, by which I can cut off na PayPal, no? Na may Western Union, by which dili ka kuha ng freedom because of Western Union, PayPal ay lahat, maybe. Again, I have to stop also in the freedom, no? By which lagi, I'm not after the money, it's about health, no? This is not about movie or teleserye, no? It's about life, no? Health, no? Here, October 2014, there, no? The dollar, then here, December 31, 2014, due date, no? Due date, then January 31, the due date. Again, the next month is about full lunas lang, no? Again, the zoom in and then film sections. Again, maybe this is the last call, yeah, by which I cannot, if hindi na ko ni ma-receive karong gabi or tomorrow, I have to stop siguro. No, again, maybe kay freedom pa man nakakuha. Sa freedom, maybe for your company also is about every problem, there's always be a solution. No? Again, in every law, there's always be an exemption. So again, ato ni himo na the diagram by which monthly income earnings statement, yeah. So the YouTube, there you are, the Google, from AdSense, then the Freedom, by which 2 checks already paid, and zoom in the TV, film sections, and YT Gamers, then Rick Studio, no? 7 website, pay us monthly and lifetime, no? By which it's up to you, yeah, for your company, by which I already received my diploma here, again, with the Wikipedia copyrights, yeah, with the Wikipedia copyrights, there you are, from the Science States. Again, this is from America, no? Again, you're an American, by which, why, no? Again, so here's about 23 treatments with sorbeto, no? So here, just follow this one, by which, no, our goals, nga, mawa, gitaw, iyahang, mabalik na sa siyang food, sa take sa mouth, no? So here, I based on the ideas and research and study from the Boston, from the Harvard and Hopkins, no? So here's the blood circulation, yeah? So here's the digestive system, by which we research it, no? Dili na ganyan tumog na. So here, again, the abdominal, the aorta, there you are, no? The right brachial artery, the right medial artery. So everything is about blood, no? Who pumps it? The heart, no? More gina nga akong gikuha, kung saan gitrabaho sa heart, no? By which lagi, I can support you also this one, no? The history, by which from the book na ni, here, again, digestive system is need food is blood, no? Who pumps it? The heart. That's why the Arwen ergometer, no? The stress test machine for the millennium. Okay, this is our 24 treatments with Sir Sorbeto, no? Again, so here, napakita na to, no? So it recovers already, yeah? So here, pas-pas na kay ka-pump, yeah? Again, unsa man siya through the spinothalamic tract down to the up to the brain, no? So mo na gina siya makasabot na siya sa comprehension, by which this one is care, no? I've been in London, ang right stroke, ang kamatsa na ginila is about wakasabot, no? Again, mapasabot lagi niya tao, malagi na labi na ni ka sir, no? Is about nga ayang food gi malagi na, no? Yagi diri, by which our aim, so here, no, we have a summary of cardio heart exercises for the Arwen ergometer, no? 12, there you are, no? So here's 7 minutes last time, but karon we maintain, no, 7 minutes, but food na siya last time gahapon, no, 2 minutes again. So karon anami sa gawas, no, by which our goal lagi nga makagawas na po siya sa iyahang 4 walls or in the house, no? There you are, no?